So for the past few months, this girl Mads and I, where is she? There she is. We've been trying to figure out the best way to travel. Is it a camper? Is it a van? We don't know. So we've crossed over into the US for the first time in 2 years because Canadians were not allowed down here, and we're gonna travel the Oregon coast in this van. You've seen the adventures in our camper. They've been interesting. Now we're gonna see if van life's better for us. We went to Trader Joe's for the first time in a while. Canadians rejoice. We grabbed some pizza and we went on our merry way to grab a quick campsite. And now we're heading to Westport in Washington to check out the coast. We'll give you a quick tour though. Let's go check this place out, huh? So this van is a Ram 3500 ProMaster. We got it because we wanted something that we could potentially purchase in the future. The Ram ProMasters are a bit wider. You're gonna see our east-south, you're gonna see the east-west bed in the back. Gives you a bit more room. And we picked this one because we like the layout. It's by this company from Vancouver called Nomad Camper Vans. So check them out. We got it off Outdoorsy and it was a really easy process, and we're stoked to be driving this thing for a week. So let's jump inside.
So the reason why we picked this van is because of this amazing layout. We've never seen anything like it. There is so much space to move. We also picked it because of the bed. The bed does not need to be converted into a table or anything like that, as well as these amazing swivel seats, making it easy to dine. We also chose this van because of the 3-burner stove that also comes with an oven, so you can make cookies in the van, as well as the pull-out fridge and freezer. Ryan and I really chose this van because of the layout. It's very spacious. We like our space, and we're really stoked to go on this road trip with this van. Quick
Pro tip for you. I just love to give you guys a lot of value. This stuff right here, Trader Joe's Greek yogurt non-fat mango. Insanity. Let's check out the nutrition facts here. 130 calories, 12 grams of protein. Holy boys! And now for the rear end, the caboose if you like. I won't bore you with too many details, but we've got our hot water tank, we've got an inverter, we can power all our stuff. This van's fully decked out, like a lot of Sprinter conversions are. I do really love the space in here. In our camper, we do not have a lot of space. We've got my clothes here because there's no room in the closet. We've got some garbage we gotta throw away. We got our bubblies for you Canadians. Mango bubbly, you haven't seen that in a while, have you? We've just got a lot of room back here, and it's nice to have that. So this is us.
This is the van.
Let's go. Almost forgot the best part of the van. All right, so we've driven a few hours. We're about an hour from Westport now. One thing I want to throw out there is Canadians. You don't know how easy it is to get across the border right now. We showed up last night. We were across in like 2 seconds. The guy was loving us because we're the first Canadian he's seen in a long time. Go to the US. I think they want us here, maybe. All right, we want to take a moment to thank our sponsor for this video, Wakewah. Just kidding, we don't have any sponsors. Wakewah is where we ask you a question and you answer in the comments for a chance to win a $10 Amazon gift card. So you have 1 in 36 chances to win because that's how many subscribers we have.
Do we actually?
Yeah.
Wow, we have 36.
I know, right? We're
Wow.
famous. So the question of the day is, which state do you most want to travel to? I'll answer first. Montana, because I want to go where the Yellowstone Ranch is. I want to meet Rip. I want to shake his hand and I want him to scream at me.
You want to fight somebody? You come fight me.
Maddie, what about you?
All right, for me guys, I really want to go to, I want to go to Colorado. I want to go to Colorado so bad. I don't even know why. I saw actually Kara and Nate go there this year and they made me want to go. It looks dope. They actually rode on the Colorado Trail and now I'm inspired to go mountain biking. Yeah, Colorado.
So leave your answer below. We'll pick a lucky winner. And you can win $10 to Amazon.
We made it to Westport.
I'm coming, baby. I'm coming. Westport is known for massive beach wolves. Watch out.
Wow!
这个
I can phone. You can never take a photo as good as what it looks like. It's so frustrating.
It's true.
If you see a piece of garbage, just pick it up and take it with you.
That's some
Leave
good
it
garbage,
better
dude.
than you found it. Ryan!
All right, we just went for a really nice walk here in Westport. The waves are crazy. We kind of thought about maybe surfing, but it looks a bit above our surfing level, even though we shred the gnar on a consistent basis. So we actually decided we're gonna send it to Cape Kiwanda. It's about a 4-hour drive. So I guess we'll see you there. And here we are. We made it to Cape Kiwanda after a 4-hour drive last night. We stopped at a local organic grocer and Maddie made us some beautiful Thai curry. And now we're here for our anniversary. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
And we're gonna enjoy the day. Let's check out Cape Kiwanda.
So, it's our anniversary. We've been married for 4 years. We're doing what we love with the person we love in the place that we love. And we're just gonna hang out today and go out for dinner and just celebrate us.
This girl on.
Hey.
You're cute. Can I have a ride?
Hell yeah, get in.
Oh, shiz. The craziest feeling just came over me. I was doing some work on my laptop and I became a digital nomad. That's not that funny. No, but in all seriousness, we are very blessed to be able to work in places like this off of our laptops. Maddie and I both own our own businesses, so we're able to get work done while we're on the road and travel and just enjoy life. So we're feeling very thankful today that we're in a place like this. Again, we haven't been here in so long and we're just doing a little bit of work, chilling out on our anniversary and just living life.
Time for coffee, number 2.
Numero uno.
Let's make lunch.
Oh, and mommy, nice.
Dude, yeah.
Wow. Look what my wife made me. Wow! She put secret chips in her. Look, guys, check this out. She put secret chips under here for me.
Pretty amazing.
I'd be so lost without her.
Oh, baby, 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 baby. I was wondering what that was.
Oh no. The seagull tricked me.
Here is where we're staying. This is where we are parked in our campground. There's only another person staying here, but this is kind of the facilities here. Okay, my favorite thing about this campsite. Hey guys. Hi guys, how's it going? Hi. Hello. Yep, the best part. Hey buddy. Hey buddy. Oh, hello. You're the big bully, aren't you? Hi Sitka. Hi buddy. Come on over. Come on over. Come on over. Wow, you are just adorable. Come here. Hi. I have nothing for you. I don't know if they think I'm about to feed them, but they're everywhere. And they're just seriously the cutest things, you guys. They're just so cute. Oh my gosh.
I just want to take them home. We're not allowed to pet them though, Ryan. Don't touch them. You know what we should do? Is put a little carrot like right here. Here come another couple gray guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Hi, buddy. How are you?
He doesn't care.
Hi, Gunner.
Bunny?
Don't bite me though. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared of you. Ladies, get yourself a man who also does chores. Wowee, wowee. Let's dance though.
All right, we're just heading to the campsite. Been chilling all day. We're gonna go for a little hike now. There's this big giant sand dune on the side of the beach. We're gonna try and hike up it. All right, we're going to there and then maybe to there. That's awesome. That's awesome, dude.
Do it for the vlog. Are you ready for this?
No. Blasted by sand up here.
Babe, you dropped your flip-flop.
Oh, I dropped my thong. I got sand in my eye.
Dude number 2.
Right here.
What you thinking about, buddy? He's thinking about dinner.
Oh no.
Agency has seized a parcel under your name which was shipped through Canada Post using your identity. The parcel contains illegal components.
No.
There is an arrest warrant already issued under your name.
No.
To talk to an officer from Canada Border
Okay.
Services Agency,
Tell me how.
please press 1 and hold the line.
Yeah. Here's my credit card number. All right, we've had enough wave watching. We're gonna head down and get ready for dinner.
Yow!
See you there.
Hey, we are actually... We're ending the vlog here. Funny bone. We had lots of fun last night. We just wanted to hang out the 2 of us, so we didn't bring you along. But stay tuned for the next one where we travel across Oregon doing some ridiculous things that you don't want to miss, I don't think. But if you like this video, like this video. If you want to follow our crazy adventures, subscribe to our channel and answer our Wickwa if you want to win a $10 Amazon Prime gift card. We will see you in the next one.
Ryan pulled out a bag of chips, and these guys heard the crinkle, and now they're all here for some chips.
They're my chips.
Feeling a little bad for Ryan tonight.
Voices singing, let's be jolly, deck the halls with fires on, only rocking around.
Okay, now guys, I have to eat because I'm starving. And Ryan left me to my own devices. You'll see why he left me. Like, just for the moment, not actually. Stay tuned.